Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiondra, also known as Key, and if you are new, make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. In today's video, I'm actually going to be sharing with you all my get unready with me. So basically, I'm just going to be showing you all like my makeup removal routine and things like that, and just preparing for the night after a long day of work. So today's video is actually in collaboration with two brands, which is Duvolle and Mix Easy. Duvolle is a skincare brand which offers skin tools such as spin brushes and different types of facial brushes and stuff like that. So they did send me the Duvolle Sonic facial brush, and this is what it looks right here. It is silicone, and it also is rechargeable, so you don't have to use any batteries or anything like that, so you can recharge it via USB. So this is the USB that you can use to charge it right up, and this is the box that it will come in. And with the Mix Easy product, I was sent two products, and I was actually able to choose what products I wanted to receive. But if you don't know what Mix Easy is, it is actually a skin care brand which offers hair care and face care, and you are able to actually customize your product to fit your needs. So you can actually add what ingredients you would like to your product. So the two products that I chose is one, an eye cream. And I chose an eye cream because I don't have any eye cream, so I thought it would be something different to add to my skincare routine. And then I also asked for a face scrub, and I wanted a face scrub because I like a good exfoliating product. I like to make sure my skin is really clean, and I make sure all the dirt is out of my skin and stuff like that. So I will be showing you all how these work as well, and I will also go more into detail once we get into the makeup removal and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's just get right into the get unready with me and my makeup removal routine. And yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna go in with is some facial cleaning wipes. So I'm just gonna use this to remove my makeup. Once I'm done removing most of my makeup, I am going to go in with coconut oil just to try to get any excess makeup off my face. And then I'm just going to rub it all over my face. Then I'm going to take a wet washcloth to remove the excess oil off of my face. Then I'm deciding if I want to get in the shower, and I think I do want to get in the shower first before continuing my skincare routine. So that is what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to just put on my night clothes. Once I have my night clothes on and I'm out of the shower, I am going to go in with my facial wash, and I use the Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. And I'm just going to rub that into my skin with my hands first. Then I'm going to go in with my Duvolle Sonic facial brush, and as you can see, it is silicone, so it is easy to clean. It is waterproof, and it is really a really nice facial brush as well. And as you can see, it does have a power button, and you can actually increase the speed, and you can also lower the speed as well. Like I've mentioned before, it is rechargeable via USB. And I'm just going to pour a little bit more soap on my facial brush, and then I'm just going to cleanse my face with it. And as far as using this brush, I actually just used the normal speed on it. I didn't use any of the higher speed or anything like that. And as you can see, it's actually setting on my face quite well. And once I clean off the brush, it just looks brand new. Then I'm going to go in with my Mix Easy products. First thing you're going to want to do is go to the face products, and then you are going to choose the product that you want. After that, you will choose your skin type, and then you're going to choose what ingredients you would like in your product, and you can choose up to 5 ingredients. After that, you're going to choose if you want a fragrance or no fragrance, and then you're going to name your formula. And I just named mine Key. So now I'm going to go in with the face scrub, and I actually chose the face scrub for normal combination skin. It is actually a thick consistency, and I chose a honey and milk fragrance. So the ingredients that I chose for my face scrub is elderflower extract, golden cola extract, pomegranate extract, floral nectar, and parsley extract. And then the more that I scrub this face scrub into my skin, the beads, the exfoliating beads, actually feel like they're starting to like dissolve into my skin, and the face scrub actually isn't as harsh or anything like that also. So after that, I'm going to rinse it off, and I'm going to take a paper towel and just pat my skin dry, and my skin doesn't feel like burning or anything like that. So then I go in with some witch hazel, which I use as a toner, and I'm just going to do that. And I use witch hazel to clear up any dark spots, and then I'm going to go in with some rose water, which I also use kind of as a toner also, but I only use it at nighttime. Then I'm going to go in with my Pond's Dry Skin Cream, and as you can see, it's dang near gone, and I just use like a small amount, and I rub that into my skin. Then I'm going to go in with the eye cream. So the eye cream I chose for dry, and I'm just going to put that on my ring finger, and then I'm going to just rub that under my eye area. I didn't choose a fragrance for the eye cream, but the ingredients that I chose is cucumber extract, linden tree extract, rosehip extract, green coffee extract, and ginseng extract. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, thank you to Duvolle and Mix Easy for sending me these products to try and share with you all, so that you can get your hands on some and see how you like them as well. And if you are interested in these products, I do have promo codes for you all. So if you are interested in the Duvolle Sonic Facial Brush, I do have a promo code, which is Key-un-druh, for 70% off of any skincare tool or facial brush. So the original cost for a Duvolle facial skin brush is $95, but with my promo code to get 70% off, it will take it down to $28.50. And if you are interested in getting your hands on some of the Mix Easy products, then I do have a 15% off promo code, so that you can get 15% off of your entire order. And that promo code is Kiondra, which is Kiondra. So make sure that you all get your hands on some of the products and see how you like them. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to comment down below any suggestions on videos, and make sure to hit that bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.